Hi guys, it is Kate with Bosma Design. I'm with Chef Robbie. It would not be right if I was not at the mix and we didn't mix a cocktail up. It's become our tradition, honestly, and in honor of dry January, we're doing a pomegranate mojito, right?
That's it.
All right. The only thing I know about any type of mojito is a muddling.
That's it. That's
Okay.
it. So we're going to put some limes in here.
Got it.
We're gonna do some fresh mint.
Okay.
Yes.
Ah, fresh mint.
Smells good, doesn't
It
it?
really does.
Then we're gonna take our muddler. We're going to muddle away in here. Get all those lime juices and the mint
Bring
mixed
out
up.
the aromatics.
Oh wow, I can smell that.
Oh.
Smells good.
This is gonna be really good.
Right?
I was excited for the pomegranate until that mint started coming to life.
Right? Tell me some ice in there, please, ma'am.
A little bit more.
Perfect.
Okay.
Want to hit it with some simple syrup?
Yes, I
I'll
can
hit it
do
with
that.
our pomegranate juice.
All right.
Beautiful.
I need a little bit more of my simple syrup.
I think
Okay.
so, yes. All right.
Cocktail time.
Shakey, shaky.
And if you don't get that reference, we can't be friends. I'm just kidding. We can be friends. Oh, that looks so good. We have made some good cocktails over the years.
A little tonic water.
A little bit of garnish.
Cheers.
Cheers. All right. Thank y'all for joining us.
Ooh, that's good.
Oh, that's so good.
That is good.
If y'all want this recipe, or if you have any questions, you can reach out to your local crane rep. You can call Chef Robbie or just leave a comment below. Thank you, Chef. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. This is
All
really
right.
good.
Thank y'all.